For the project, 3D modeling would be a nice piece of technology since you can make various products using it. It is nice how the technology can just make things out of strings of plastic and produce various products that can just either be just a model or it can also function depending on how the person designs it. If there's a 3D printer, I just make a character or I can make models of vehicles that can be rigged to move. A good way to collaborate would be that both people choose the model and a close place where it can be made. This is the reference, and this is also a general summary for 3D printing. 3D printing is a process that makes use of is a process that does three-dimensional solid objects from a digital file and makes use of plastic in order to make various models. It is an additive process created by laying down layers of the material until the object is created. 3D printing is the opposite of subtractive manufacturing, which is cutting out, since this is doing it by layers in order to create the proper model. You can also make various shapes and make use of less material compared to traditional manufacturing methods. 3D printing is done starting with making the model. It can either be made from the start or it can also be downloaded from a library. There are various tools that can be used to make it, and the way it is made and the tool that's used differs from being industrial grade to open source. The most used by beginners would be Tinkercad, since it is a free app and you can work on it on your browser. It also has various built-in functions that can help beginners in order to make 3D products. Slicing means using a 3D model and making countless layers in order to make the product, then processed in order to make it available for the 3D printer to do. It is fed to the printer via USB, SD, or through Wi-Fi. After that is the 3D printer is ready to do the work. It used to be one of the most expensive ways to produce a product in the beginning, but through the innovation and progress of the years, it has become one of the most suitable ways in order to produce products. Mostly prototyping and one-off manufacturing in the early stages has now become the main production technology used by many businesses. So for the project, for the 3D printer, we can either make any of these examples: eyewear, footwear, furniture, tools, models, replicas, props, and other various things. But it would be nice if the decision for the team would be either a model that is from anime or a car model. Thank you.